Hello everybody, how are you today? I had ordered one radiator guard grill for my bike Yamaha R3 2018 model. I had ordered in ebay.com. So the packet has arrived in my place at Guwahati. So let me open it up for you. So this is written in half in English and half in Chinese language. I don't understand Chinese language, only English. So the plastic is gone. Let me cut it more. This cap also has to be cut. So this is gone. Okay, I have to cut it from here. Okay, here it is written. I think it's R3. Quality is good and it is jointless. It is jointless aluminum in its black color. This is stainless steel. The quality is quite good. Quality is quite good. I think let me check whether there are any screws and all. No screws. That's it. So I have to fit it in my bike. So installation of this radiator guard grill is also I am going to upload in my channel. So please stay tuned. And the total cost for this radiator guard grill costed me $28.42 US, which is approximately rupees 1990 in Indian currency. I bought it in ebay.com. So they had sent it through Postal Service, which is kind of quite rare nowadays because hardly anybody sends now parcels in Postal Service. Everybody seems to prefer private courier. So let me just turn it once more. That's it for now. So stay tuned and keep watching. I will be regularly uploading more videos in my channel. So I will be seeing you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.